Although I will say,
microsite, which is raveclubs.com/ISE. So this has been the busiest ISE.
hi everyone, this is Gary Kay. We're at ISE 2025. We're in the Jabra booth, but we're going to talk about a company called Mago, who we've introduced you to before. Mago, you can find them at mago.io. And Mago, I'm here with Cristiano Fumagalli. Mago is a company that simplifies but also empowers you to send anything wireless in a collaboration room.
Exactly. So today we have something new. So our software is running on this IoT device.
Yeah, this device is called Mago Room Essential, right?
Yeah.
And so you run your software on this. It's like a compute device, right?
Yes, it's compute device, IoT, Windows 11 powered.
Yep.
But today we are launching also the receiver running on Chromecast, Google TV.
Okay, so you have an option to use Essential or Chromecast input device that can connect to any display through HDMI. In both cases, that's how you connect. And you have the ability to send content through from Apple AirPlay, from Chromecast, but also, how else can we send it?
Yeah, Chromecast and Miracast.
Miracast,
And we have Mago Link, so it's a way to use a browser without installing any software and casting through the WebRTC 0.5 second latency.
And that includes 4K 60 hertz video as well, right?
Yeah, include 4K 60 Hz video on each stream. On these small devices, we tested connected to the Ethernet, 13 devices at the same time.
13 devices at the
Side
same
by
time.
side.
Okay, so how does this work? Show us how to demonstrate this.
Yeah, so basically the casting is just pressing higher play and Miracast, but I want to show you a new way to connect content using Mago Stage, that is an app. So on the UI of the software, you have a QR code, and then you can scan the QR code and open your files, PDF, video that are here loaded from your Office 365 OneDrive or Google Drive. So it's synced. And then you scan the QR code even from 4G network, and you are synced with the presentation. So no need to install.
So all you did was scan a QR code on the screen, and it immediately connects whatever device that you're connected from, or you scan the QR code from.
It's like a software matrix. So if I want to add a second content, I just press add to stage, and this side by side presenting here, including the video conference.
Very nice.
Yeah, so I just drag and drop video conference, and is automatically adding a 4 tile, and now it's starting. We have a very low bandwidth here at the show, and then we can control also the built-in video conferencing.
Okay.
And as soon as I want to put this content in top, I just moving, swiping, and then with the Apple Pencil we can also highlight the content. Why this? Because we analyzed very recently in our last trip across 7 states in US that all the meetings that we had in New York, Chicago, so executive
regardless of where they
director have 30 minutes, they are not taking care about the interactive screen.
Right.
So, and we started 10 years ago developing premium whiteboard. So the only way to interact is to use your own device, Apple Pencil, or your phone. And then
so I can connect my phone to this.
Yeah, you can.
Can you show us this?
I disconnect this stage, and I show you the UI, so disconnect. Okay, so just pressing connect, scanning QR code, doesn't matter which network I am. So I'm now in 5G network, and then connected. So you see I'm connected, and then I can open my stages. I just created the RavePub stages, and the system is pulling the data from my private cloud instance. And now is loading the content like on iPad.
Your phone's on 5G, this is on Wi-Fi, so it's just able to connect, and there's no security issues or anything.
No, it's private server. In fact, customers love to deploy private server or through the private cloud, Azure.
And this is being wirelessly casted.
Yeah.
And now I can actually select whatever I want to select.
You can tap, put in full screen, and you have a control left and right of your slide.
I'm not good at that. There you go. Okay. So you're wirelessly casting this. Even though your phone's not on the same network, you're able to do this. That's pretty cool. That's very, very simple. And you can do that with any operating system.
Any operating system, and from the mobile app just released, you have the same content. So you can scan document, use AR camera. An example, if you have a device or whatever you want to scan. We have AI
showing
in the app, and
yeah.
you see just only the content that
Yeah.
you want to upload to the stage. And now adding to stage, there is no context, and is pulling and adding to the fourth stage.
Yes, that's the picture you just took,
Yeah.
just appearing there in real time.
Even in the mobile, so you have the smart annotation, so
Yeah.
you can highlight, and now it's
Yeah,
not-
it went away on your phone. Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Last but not least, news is the way to cast your device with Miracast, AirPlay, and Google
Yeah.
Cast, and connect this dongle. This dongle is no button to press, TAA compliant,
Oh, nice.
and it's ideal for bank, military, and then you can have immediately your Panacast or camera.
So this bypasses a software-based feature and
Exactly.
it gives you hardware. It doesn't load anything as a driver on the
Nothing.
computer.
It's just a wireless extender that put the priority of Teams, Zoom, WebEx.
And it's TAA compliant.
TAA compliant.
Okay, and is this USB-C and USB?
A, exactly.
Wow, all on one device.
And you have a wireless BYOM in this case, so you can host your call, because the trend that we see
Yeah.
in the market is wireless BYOM more than the codec.
Yeah.
And how we can manage everything through our admin console. So we have a live view.
So this
here.
is a software-based administrative console that manages anything across the cloud.
Yeah, it's a Mago console, so
Yeah.
you can see your room list, the status of your room, and also the devices. So we control sensor, screen,
So
power
any
socket,
any room with the Mago Room Essentials or with the Mago Chromecast
or
can be
third
managed.
party. Also the Panacast, we can control the setting of the Panacast, the setting of third party cameras, power socket on off. And
Is this a seat license kind of thing, or how do you charge for this?
when you buy the devices, you
Yeah.
have perpetual license on the devices
Okay.
and 1 year of admin center.
Okay, so
Then
at
you
1
can-
year of admin included.
And we just released a digital signage, so included in the subscription of the admin center, you get digital signage.
Which is what we're doing here. So what ultimately happens is when you're not using the room for collaboration, you get a digital signage
Exactly.
player.
Exactly.
And so this is a full CMS.
Exactly. We have
Yeah.
a full CMS. You can push any content, no extra registration of the devices
Yeah.
because are already registered in the console. And you push content, video, PDF.
4K 60 hertz.
Yes.
And that's it. So if you want more information on this, just go to mago.io. Mago.io. Cristiano, thank you very much for doing this
My
live
pleasure.
demo. I appreciate this.
Thank you.
And we got a lot more ISE to cover, so stay tuned at ravepubs.com/ISE.